In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dictation in Gmail. This is not only a convenient tool but also a fantastic way to save time, especially if you're someone who's often on the go. So, let's dive into the simple steps that will have you dictating your emails in Gmail in no time. First things first, you'll need to install the Dictation for Gmail extension in Google Chrome. To do this, head over to the Chrome Web Store, which is easy to find with a quick online search. Once you're there, type Dictation for Gmail in the search bar and click the option to add it to Chrome. The installation process is quick and straightforward. Once completed, you'll notice the extension has been added to your browser's toolbar. It's there, ready to make your emailing life a lot easier. Next, open up Gmail in your Chrome browser. If you don't already have Gmail bookmarked, just type gmail.com into the address bar and log in with your credentials. This will take you straight into your inbox, preparing you for the next step. Now, it's time to compose a new email. In Gmail's interface, you'll see the Compose button, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. Click on it to open up a new email window. Here's where the excitement begins. With the Dictation for Gmail extension installed, you'll notice a microphone icon at the bottom of the email composition window. Remember, this microphone icon is your gateway to hands-free typing. Locate it, and when you're ready, click on it to start dictation. As you click this icon, begin speaking clearly into your device's microphone. It's important to enunciate your words and speak at a natural pace to ensure your voice is transcribed accurately. As you speak, you'll see your words magically appearing as text in the email body. Well, it feels like magic, but in reality, it's just advanced speech recognition technology that's transforming your spoken words into written text. If at any point you need to pause or stop the dictation, just click the microphone icon again. This toggle feature gives you control over when your words are transcribed, offering the flexibility needed to ensure your message is just right before you hit the send button. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily dictate emails in Gmail using the Dictation for Gmail Chrome extension. Remember, practice makes perfect, and as you get more comfortable with speaking your emails, you'll likely find this method to be faster and more efficient than typing. Thank you for tuning in, and happy emailing!